Hey, happy subscribers. How y'all doing today? I'm on my way to the river this beautiful afternoon. It's about 2 p.m. right now. I'm gonna head to a small creek river kind of thing, and there is trout in there, and that's what I'm going after today. If I get some, I'm gonna be cooking them out there, so stay tuned for it. Should be a fun video. We should be there at the spot in about 30 minutes. It's a beautiful bright day. I love to fish for trout in a sunny day like today. I think they're gonna be biting pretty good. If not, still fun to be out there chasing them, but I really wanna at least get one or two so I can cook out there and finish the video cooking in the outdoors next to the water. So basically what I'm gonna do is, as soon as I get two of them, or maybe one, I don't know, I'm gonna start cooking immediately. Like, we're gonna be eating fresh fish literally 30 to an hour after the fish came out of the water. You know, it cannot be any fresher than that, and it cannot get any better than that, people. So yeah, see you guys when I get there. Alright, here we are at the parking spot, fixing to walk to my fishing spot right here, and hopefully we can make it count today. Like I said earlier, it's a beautiful day, and I think the trout will be on fire today, and if they are, we're gonna do some cooking. So stay tuned for it, people. This spot right here is not too far from the road, and I used to catch a lot of trout right here in this little corner. As you guys see, that's like a little spring water that comes from underneath the road, kind of like from the subdivision on the other side. And it kind of feed this creek right here. Wow, there's a lot of minnows. A lot of small fish right here. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but there is a ton of a bunch of minnows. I like to fish for trout with rooster tails. This is what what we're gonna be using. I have had a lot of luck with this green right here, but also this one with the little red dot in the blade is very effective. So I'm gonna start with this one and go from there. I also got some red worms and night crawlers. If we cannot make them hit these little rooster tails right here, we're gonna try worms all the way to the bottom and see what happens. But I think we're gonna make it happen with this right here. It's cold today. Holy moly. Alright, let's get it done, people. I try with the rooster tail. Didn't have any bites, so I'm gonna go with the magic bait. Little split shot, about 6 inches above it. Very tiny little bobber here. The worm will be hanging from the surface about 30 inches. Let's see what happens. I tried at this specific location for about 30 minutes with the rooster tail and then with the worm, and I didn't have any luck, so I decided to move downstream and look for that. This is a beautiful spot right here, people. I can nearly walk across the creek right here.
Look at that. I started fishing right there at the very corner. And then I walk through those woods and I enter the water right there. Now I'm basically in the middle of the creek right here. Super shallow, but I want to try it right there in those little rapids right there and see if there is trout over there. Like I said, it's a beautiful spot. All in general with this creek right here is just gorgeous. I'm walking in the water, people. Walking in the water. Oh, this looks a little deeper right here. Just a little bit more. I can still walk.
I ended up moving downstream even further away. I walked for another 10-15 minutes.
Look at this, y'all. Holy moly. Let's see here. Does anyone know what this is? Please comment down below. I've never seen something like this. It's a very shallow creek right here where there's usually trout. And I got this beautiful little thing right here. And I don't even know what it is. Beautiful colors. I'm gonna put him back in the water before he dies.
Believe it or not, people, this was the only capture I had in almost 3 hours of fishing. I walked the river for almost 2 miles, couldn't find any trout. I had a blast walking around.
I haven't seen any trout. I haven't seen any jumping. I don't know if they're not here today at this part of the river. Maybe they are like upstream even more or down towards the lake. I don't know, but usually this little stretch of river right here, we always caught some over here. They're not here today. we might gonna go home empty-handed, but still fun to be out here, trying, enjoying this weather. Sun's about to set in about 45 minutes. It's all good, people. It's not always about catching. A lot of times it's about enjoying the moment out here. Thinking, clearing the head. Thinking slowly. Slow down over here compared to outside. You know, life is moving too fast for everyone. It's a lot of pressure for people, especially teenagers these days. I'm just glad to be out here relaxing for a minute. It don't matter if I'm catching or not. I encourage you people to slow down a little bit and take time to enjoy. Grab a fishing rod and walk along the river, look for fish. That's part of life for people. The agenda of work, chores at the house, work again in the morning, is taking our lives away, people. We need to sit down, take a step back and think about what really matters in life. And sometimes you will get that peace of mind right here at these rivers, where the only noise you hear is the water running downstream. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And slow down and enjoy moments that really matter. Until next time, people. God bless.